say hi? Bobby, say hi. What? What was that? Was that hi? Whoa. What are you guys doing?
Hey, Bobby, don't let the water out. Bobby!
Go. Jimmy! Jimmy. Hi. How you doing? Are you getting wet? You got your little cup? Is that your own pool? What are those guys doing over there? They're going crazy, man. Uh-oh. You bumped. You guys bumped cups.
Bobby!
Uh-oh. Whoa, what's... Uh-oh. Oh, what's going on? Hey, hey. Spencer! Don't pick on Jimmy. Spencer! Hey! You want to jump in that pool, Jimmy? I don't think that was made for two. Are you going to steal some of the water? Add some water to his pool, Spencer. Yeah. I think he's okay, though. Oh, you're washing the bike. There you go. Kenny, that's enough water in the bike. Jimmy! Bobby! Bobby, can you say hi? Hi, Homer! Hi, Nate! Who's in the pool with you? Nate and Spencer? Jimmy, what are you doing?
Mommy.
What are you doing? Oh. Thirsty? Nate, where are you? Do you know where you are?
Bobby and Jimmy.
Oh, you're okay. Spencer's giving you a good shower. Don't take it. Don't take it. Don't take it. He's going to be bigger than you someday. Good job.
Hi Nate, happy birthday!
Hi. Did you see a movie today? What was the name of the movie?
What'd you see?
Pocahontas. Nate? Pause. Pause. You can't?
Did you get to see Pocahontas today, Nate? Did you see Pocahontas? No?
Did you have your pictures taken too?
Whose birthday is it today, Nate? There's Nate, he's happy. He's got a balloon, it's his birthday, everything's good. Everything's good, he's going after the balloon. Hey, he's going after the balloon. There he goes. Happy birthday to Nate. Happy birthday to Nate. Happy birthday, dear Nathaniel. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Let's get Nate around.
Nate's on film. Nate's having a happy birthday right now. Happy birthday!
Let's have Nate Man sit over there.
Hey, Spang!
Hey, happy birthday, Nate.
He doesn't want this.
Let's
Let's have Nate sit down there, open his prezzies.
Okay, Nate, come on down here and open your prezzies.
We'll go okay first.
Oh, what's that one? Should we open breakfast?
That way they're not messy.
Hey, there's Spencer. Come join the party, Spence. Come on, Spence. Nate's gonna open his prezzies.
I don't know. Should we just do it on the floor?
Come here, Nato.
There's the birthday
Go,
ball.
go! Do the birthday dance. Go.
Go. Do the birthday dance.
Go.
Are these run in circles? These all Nate's?
Hey, here, Nate.
Wait, one bag's Nate. Yeah, I think that's
Okay, Bob, let's watch Nate open his prezzies. Because he's 3. It's a birthday.
We'll have the blowers with the
Yeah, we gotta see Nate open his prezzies. Come on, boys, sit down. You're at a party.
Hey, we're having a party.
Come here, Bobby, sit by Daddy.
Nate, he's opening already. There he goes.
Honey, get your booty on film.
Nato! You got your booty
One
on.
thing about that dress,
Sorry.
it rides up when you bend over.
How far?
Very far.
Got your booty on.
Bend over.
I'm not complaining, but...
Hey!
No, that's Nate's.
What do you got, Nate?
Come
You
here,
get
Bobby.
one pretty soon too.
What do you got?
Come here, buddy.
That one's Nate's
Hey!
Golf balls!
Oh, you're oh.
Cool!
Let's get Bobby.
Are you ready to golf?
Come here, big man. Bobby, come here.
Huh?
We'll get yours.
You can get one in a minute,
Come here, Bobby.
okay?
You sit with Daddy. We'll watch Nate.
Here.
See, this is Nate's birthday. So
Huh?
it's that open.
Okay, what are you open up for?
But then Bobby gets a present.
Show 'em how it works.
Okay,
Okay, golf balls, boy.
we're gonna open this bugger up. And we're gonna learn how to golf.
No, because those are Nate's.
Are you
Those are
ready?
Nate's. Bobby has
Bobby
one
will get one
somewhere
later.
else.
Sit down.
You can give one to him.
Huh?
You can give him one.
Oh, Nate's. He can open one of the ones that.
No, I mean
Alright.
one of go ahead, give him.
I don't know
Give him.
which one.
That's what I want
It
you
has
to
his
do.
name on it.
I want you to golf.
Let's golf, Nader.
Alrighty.
Look, Bobby. Here's a present for Bobby.
Hey, a present for Bobby. Can you bring it down? Can I help open it? Okay. No.
No. Stay in here,
We're
stay in
gonna
here.
go away.
Stay there, right here.
Golf inside.
On the floor.
Alright.
These are for Bobby.
When's the last time someone's golfed inside?
Here you go, Nate. Let's see it. This is how you do it now.
Sit down right here and you open
Take
it.
it with the big hands.
Boy, it's Nate's birthday. Bobby.
Take it with the big hands. I won't help it. It's your job. Then you line it up on your front foot.
Oh, you already did it. Woohoo!
Hey, Nato, hit that ball.
Woo! Nate!
Oh, yeah! Hey!
Woo! What's
Good
next?
try, boy.
That's good, that's good.
Alright.
Oh my
One
goodness.
more shot. And then you're done. Then you gotta open more presents.
You know, more presents. Look at that golf ball. It's a swinger. He kind of swings from his hiney like his dad.
That's exactly
That's
it.
good. That's what you want.
Alright, I'll watch
Ready,
it.
watch
Hey, wait. Hold on. You gotta turn.
Swing lower. There you go. Swing low.
There you go. Now grab
All right.
Woo! There goes the lamp. No.
it. There you go. Good
Woo!
Step back a little bit. Step back. Step back.
Did you say
Every
thank
Go
you?
slow. Go real slow. Go real
Line
slow
up.
into it.
Line up. There
Oh,
it is.
that's
Good
what mommy does.
swing. Good swing.
That's good. That ball's
Okay, each time before you swing, line up. Okay, line up. Get lined up.
Line up.
Turn it there.
Go real
Nice
slow. Do a
swing.
real slow swing. Slow. Oh, almost.
Do fast swing.
Woo!
Get a man. Step back a little bit. Step back.
There you go.
Now stretch.
Woo!
Okay. Try one more time.
up a balloon.
There you go. Good swing. Good job. No, step back. Step back. Step back. You gotta step back. There you go. Hey!
Good man, Nato.
All right. Let's open more.
Look at, show me what you got. What else did Nader get?
Hey! Beach
Oh! Help me.
There you go. That's everything. All right.
Woohoo! What are the beach toys? What do they do, Nate? What's on them? Was one a butterfly, a crab, a boat, a train? What is it?
toys. Beach toys.
You don't really care, do you?
Those are exciting as go.
See,
He went 8 years old.
yeah, we'll get one later.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, show the little pile of people over there.
What are the people over here doing? Hey, there's Bobby.
Prezi.
Jimmy.
Bobby said thank you.
Bobby, did you get anything? Oh, you're welcome.
Show Colin your
There's
presents.
Jimmy.
Here's
Show
the
Colin what you
present.
got.
Oh my God, the baseball ball!
Uh-oh. What's going on over here?
That's cool.
Open it up. Jimmy! Jimmy!
How about the snakes?
Mommy has his in the
Hi!
Remember your baseball gloves in your room.
This is Jimmy. He's just a couple days younger than Spencer.
No, no, I'm here.
Play catch
He's
with me.
celebrating the birthday too.
Who's this?
Spencer.
Spencer.
Spence, man.
Spencer. Ooh, we are like blurry. There we go. Spencer, the stink bomb.
Hey!
All right, go on.
He's playing with his birthday balloon from the pizza
All right,
place.
Oh!
Spencer.
Hey!
Spencer.
Turn around this way.
Carly. Carly.
There you go.
Oh.
Hey.
Whoa.
It's in your toy
Come on,
box.
go over that way. Turn. Face this way.
Whoa, that doesn't look very good.
Oh,
Whoa.
bad throw.
That was a bad throw.
Spinning around the room.
We've got a new dump in the house. Okay, go that way.
Well, it smells like it.
Was that you, Schmidt?
That wasn't me.
Here.
A new dog?
Hey.
Did you?
Oh!
Oh,
Is that supposed to stick?
Oh, I don't want to be
Get a little bit closer.
I don't want to be tackled. I want to watch a present.
Come a little closer.
Hey, come a little closer so I can get you guys together. Real close to Daddy, real close. Oh. Maybe it needs a couple more stickies on it. Oh. No more stickies?
No, we
No
can't
more
find any
stickies?
more stickies.
We could glue some more on when we get home.
Oh, do you glue them all?
We could glue some more of those.
They're
Scratches.
soda.
Velcro, yeah.
Yeah, just use some super glue.
Oh.
Oh. Hey, all right.
All right, I want it. I want you to open it. Watching you open it.
What's this one?
Alrighty, let's see it. Big man. Big man. Yeah!
Oh.
Ooh, we had to wait for outside.
Let's save those. Let's save
Save those
those.
for outside.
Those are outside bubbles. Cool.
Cool. Alright, let's see it. Open it up. Oh, what's that? What's the little thing say? It says Nate on it. Look. Little card.
That's from Nana.
That's from Nana?
Not that present, I don't think.
Oh, the card's from Nana?
That one's from Granny.
This one's from Granny?
Yeah, this is from Granny. The card's from Nana
From
with
Granny.
that box.
Say thank you, Granny.
Oh, oh.
Batman.
Nate!
Batman clothes.
Who is that? Batman what? Okay. You're seeing, but we can't see anything. You're looking.
I want to see. Let's see the Batmans.
Okay. Hold up the Batmans. Hold up the Batman.
Hold up the Batmans and put them over here.
Hold them up to your body.
Jammies or just Batman?
Go show Heidi. Go show Heidi your Batman.
Let me see. Oh,
Woo-hoo.
that's just a cool new outfit.
Not
they're not
jammies?
jammies.
Oh.
Let's
Cool.
see.
Oh, look at Bobby go.
Oh, he found his mitt. All right.
Look at that. Look at the balloon.
There's Bobby.
Oh, it's underwear set.
Oh, look at that. Wow. Those are the pants, and there's the shirt. Heidi gonna wear the shirt.
Batman! Put it over there. Put the panties over there. Put your pants over there.
Balloon, I have to.
No, your Batman pants. All right, let's open it up ready.
What's Spencer
Oh, what's
doing?
that right there? Give me that.
Is Spencer maybe taking another
No,
dump?
no, right there.
Well, that's what I'm trying to figure out.
Is he stink right next to you?
Something smells.
There's another poop around here.
I didn't think.
Maybe we should pause until we...
Yay, Nate!
Bobby.
Go, 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 Nate, go. Gosh, you're good at that. Go, 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 go. Okay, that's enough. Let's go on to the presents.
Okay, prezzies. Hey, Spencer,
Turn around so Dad can see.
now's your chance, bud.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Turn that open. Oh, hey. Oh, my God. Do you know what that is?
Let's see it, Nate.
I mold all the intestines.
Fix me up, dog. Cut, operate, and stitch with funny Play-Doh. Funny.
I don't think you should open it.
I think we should take this home to Ogden.
Yeah.
Open up another present, Nate.
Oh, but I have another one. There's another one from the Clears. This is from Bobby and Jimmy and his mom and dad. That's cute. Oh, you make the stuff.
You make the intestines and then
Oh, that's too funny. What's this? Paper.
Hey,
And
Spence.
Super Days.
What's that? Ooh, Playland, Candyland.
Oh, Nate! A child's first game!
Spencer comes to look at what's going.
Hey, clack, glue, glock.
Hey.
Did you get it? No, don't take it, don't take it. You still have one more present, open. Go
Got
put
another
it back.
present, Nate.
Go put it back. What do you go tell Jimmy and Bobby? What do you tell him? You better go tell him.
Say-
Tell Jimmy right there. Tell Jimmy right there. Thank you.
Give him a big hug and kiss.
Kiss it,
You're welcome. Aww.